Hi, good morning. This is Liz Davis. I am a nutritionist and I specialise in digestive health for busy women. So I help busy women fix their IBS symptoms, painful bloating, painful digestion, any kind of associated hormone problems, perimenopause, menopause, painful periods, any kind of chronic fatigue symptoms you might be experiencing, because often these can be closely tied to your gut health. So in addition to all those things, your immune health is also very closely linked to your gut health. So I was just going to do a quick rundown for you of some kind of ways you can support your immunity naturally through your diet, and really kind of emphasize the importance that your gut health has as far as your immunity is concerned. So basically, when I start working with clients on their IBS symptoms, one of the first big improvements they'll notice is that their immunity is much, much stronger. So they will quite often say things like, well, everybody around me was dropping like flies with flus and colds and things, but they have escaped relatively unscathed. So that's a really positive thing to take away when you do start to fix your digestive health. You get all these kind of additional surprises that you weren't expecting as well. And the reason for this is because you've got about 70 to 80% of your immune system in your gut. And a lot of this system is called your gut-associated lymphoid tissue, or GALT for short. And it forms these white patches throughout your digestive system called Peyer's patches, which are crucial for formulating your antibodies and your first line of defense. And it's also where your T cells make their memories as well. So when you get infected, your body needs to remember the infection, and it carries out all this in your Peyer's patches in your gut. So that's a very important thing to bear in mind. So it's really important we keep this gut immunity robust. You have your secretory IgA in your mucous membranes. So you've got mucous membranes covering every kind of entrance to your body. So your respiratory system, your reproductive system, your digestive system are all covered in this mucosa. It's got this mucosal membrane, and that's where your secretory IgA is going to be hanging out. And that's your first line of attack when you start to get invaded, if you like, with all these viruses and bacteria. So it's really important that you keep it healthy. You're going to keep it healthy by making sure that your gut is healthy. So you're going to do take probiotics if you need to. Prebiotics are always useful, either from foods or supplements. So you want to be focusing on foods like leeks, onions, garlic, chicory, asparagus. All those are fantastic for keeping your gut microbes nice and healthy and well fed, so they can keep your gut environment healthy. Also, vitamin-wise, vitamin C, vitamin A, zinc are all crucial as well for not only your actual immune system, but keeping that gut lining healthy too. You need to have plenty of those going on. So to do this, I would probably a good idea for most people to start supplementing throughout the winter months. In addition, make sure you've got plenty of different coloured foods going on. So lots of nice oranges and reds. Make sure you're eating a rainbow every day. Is going to be really useful for you. So in addition to that, you want to be making sure that you keep sugar and processed foods to a minimum, and absolutely not overdoing the alcohol. Obviously, people have a few drinks now and then, but if you can minimize the alcohol, that's going to really help you, because alcohol in excessive amounts will damage your gut. And then you kind of get this knock-on effect with your immune health. Okay, so that's a few tips there for you to take away and hopefully keep your immune system ticking over nicely this winter. If you found this useful, do like and share. And there's a link below the video to book a call with me, free chat, if you want to discuss your gut health and testing and anything else you might find useful. And there's a free mini program there as well that you can download and see if you can get some pointers there. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye.